The one thing that got my hair to grow this long, healthy, and strong is nutrient-dense DIY recipes and a well-rounded natural hair routine that addresses each thing our hair needs: moisture, nutrients, and to be left alone. If you have these three things, your hair will thrive. And if you want my blueprint on how I achieve this, you can head to the Getting Back to the Basics series and craft your own routine based on the info I shared in those videos. Or you can head to justforblackgirls.com/shop and shop my Growth Training 101 guide. My guide comes with a detailed, step-by-step breakdown of everything you need to do to grow your hair longer, healthier, thicker, and stronger, and that helped me grow my hair from my ears to my hips extremely fast. And as I've mentioned before, numerous customers who have purchased the guide and have been implementing the routines have seen their hair transform for the better, including seeing results so good it made them cry tears of joy. Customers who have purchased the guide are achieving waist-length hair. Some people are seeing results in 3 weeks. Other people are seeing thickness and health that they've never seen before. And still others are seeing hair that they haven't seen since they were a child. This growth training guide is no joke. So if you're ready to stop struggling trying to find a routine that works for you and are ready to get real results, head to justforblackgirls.com/shop and shop the Growth Training 101 guide now while it is on sale. And that's not all. A lot of women struggle with PCOS, perimenopause, and other conditions that makes them suffer from hormone-related hair loss and thinning. And I did not leave you ladies out. There is a bonus section in the guide that covers herbal remedies you can use to slow or reverse altogether hair loss and thinning caused by hormonal imbalances so you can finally achieve your hair goals. I did the work so you don't have to. Head to justforblackgirls.com/shop and shop the Growth Training Guide so you can be put on the path to unlocking thicker, longer, healthier, and stronger hair growth at a faster rate today. And just in case you needed another reminder, the free recipes on this channel have been helping people grow their hair when doctors told them it was impossible. So imagine the knowledge and the benefit you can use from the recipes that are in this guide. I don't gatekeep. I make sure to share knowledge that's going to help people, whether it's free or whether it's not. So just in case you needed any extra assurance that you will be spending money well, please remember that I would not put a price on anything that wasn't worth it, because even the free stuff that I have put out changes lives. So imagine what is in this guide that I would go as far as to put a price on it. And don't fret, it is on a major sale. For all of you that have missed the sales from before, the guide is still on sale. We put it at an amazing, affordable price that you can grab. And I also want to mention this too. This guide is not only for women. We all have natural hair. Every black person has natural hair, whether you are a woman or not. And Father's Day is just around the corner. So if you have any male cousins, friends, fathers, uncles, brothers that you know could also use some assistance with their natural hair, do not be afraid to grab this guide for them. So again, if you're ready to take that leap of faith, head to justforblackgirls.com/shop and shop the Growth Training Guide now. It is June. We are 6 months into 2025. Who knows where your hair could be by the end of this year and going into 2026. I believe in you. You got this. And until next time, lovelies, bye.